everyone. So I'm finally getting out of the fog that I have been in a couple weeks from Canva Create, then the GPT Build-a-thon. So I had to dig a little bit deeper into the Canva Sheets because I'm not really a spreadsheet kind of person. I belong to a membership that makes the spreadsheets for me, so I love that. So I don't make them. However, um, I need to figure out Canvas sheets for you guys. So let's go. I'm going to use it today for bulk create. I'm just going to do a sample so you guys can see, how it works. But I can see using this for a lot of different things. I could see this for bundle creators who have people speaking and or their bundled products. I can see this happening for Summit users. They can do all the contributor images all at one time. I can see even teachers using this for kinds of things, like all kinds of things, certificates, all that. And bloggers, you can use this to create images for your blog, like blog post promos. Okay, so let's go. You're going to build this along with me. I only have a couple things, so I'm going to be going through it. I don't even know what images or anything, but we're going to figure it out. All right, so if I'm creating social media, I can use a template in Canva. I can use the images. I can use the elements because I'm not selling this. This is social media, and I have the pro account. Even if you have a free account, you can still use Canva for your social media. However, the bulk crate, what I'm going to be showing you right now, is a pro feature. And like I say, Canva Pro is a no-brainer for me. All right, let's go. So what you need to do first, there's a couple things that you're going to see different, so kind of watch out for that. I will point some things out that are different as well. Okay, so you're going to come up here to this purple plus right here, create. This box will pop up, and all you have to do is just pick right here. Now, if you do not see this, it's because you don't have the new Canva dashboard. At the very top of your home page, click 3 times and hopefully it will pop up. I know there was a limit. I don't know if they've reached that limit, but this will be coming out to everyone eventually. Majority of people should already have it, but if not, patience, it will get to you. But anyways, let's click on the sheets. If you do not see it over here, you can click right up here to sheets too. And also it will be in here. So I see right here, we can go sheets. And let's move this, move myself. Okay, we're going to go over here. All right, so here it looks like a spreadsheet, right? So the first thing we want to do is we're going to name our columns. And so I want to have the saying. I want to have, and these are things that are different because I'm going to make the design, and some things on the design are going to be the same in everything, but certain things will be different. Okay, let's see here, title, ooh, and name. There we go. And then image. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right, so I am going to, I probably don't need title, but anyways, this is just an example, so we'll figure that out. All right, so I am going to go over to ChatGPT. I am going to grab, let's just do 10 for now, but you can do as many as you want. Like, you can do a lot. Like, you can do 100. You might even be able to do 200. I've never done that much. I've done 100 though. All right, so we're gonna copy this. Okay, you guys, so I named my column same title and name and image. Okay, so these are things that are going to change in every single one. Now, the design is going to stay the same, and it will have certain things that are on there, like my logo that is the same, stuff like that. So, um, just know that these are things that need to be changed. Okay, and when I say change, like we're going to input the stuff it on the design for us. We don't have to do anything but enter the data. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to ChatGPT. I am going to copy 10 of these. You can do as many as you want. You can do 100. I've done more than 100. This is a Canva Pro feature though, just so you know. And if you want to try that, it's Pam Allen Online / Canva Pro. Link down there. You can try it out for 30 days. All right. So now we're going to go back to Canva, and I'm going to click on here. Click. And then I'm going to do paste special value only, and then I can see that it is coming up now. You can change the font up here if you don't want to use. You can use any font that you want. Okay, and then you can change the font size too. So this is all good. Let me move this box so I can, this isn't, you don't have to do that. Want everything looking good. Okay, now, since I'm just making all this up, right? So I am going to share something with you that is pretty awesome. And it'll just make this a little bit easier. So I'm going to click on this box, and then I am going to highlight all of this. Go down one more. Oh, there. Oh, why did I do that? I didn't want it to. Okay, there we go. So we have everything in this box, okay? The saying, the title, and the name. And if you ever make a mistake or anything, just use these little things up here for the undo. Now, watch this. I'm going to go up to actions, and I'm going to go fill empty cells. So this is kind of an AI little trick. It's going to look at what you have, and then it's going to fill the other boxes. So with the saying, so they gave us titles and they gave the name. Now, I know this isn't, real or anything like that, but if you had, some other things that you just want AI to come up with, this is how you do it. Now you can do more like this, but, and change it up a bit. That's perfectly fine as well. But this is like a little trick. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go insert. Look, it inserted all that for me. I don't even have to worry about it. Now, I'm going to show you another cool trick. Okay, I'm going to go get some images. And remember, these, like if you're going to do this for your business, these can be all images of you, just a different pose, right? Okay, beautiful. Or it could be like 4 different poses and you change, right? So here we go. I'm going to go grab some images. I'm going to go over here, elements. You're just going to go through this with me, okay? All right, we didn't have to have all that. So I'm going to go over to elements, photo. And remember, I was telling you this would be really good for creating bundle images, creating product images, blog post images. I mean, blog posts like promos. It's just amazing. Okay, so we're gonna go over to photos, and then I am going to, I should probably, I don't know why I put photo women. Oh, here we go. Business woman. That's what I want. Okay. So see all these, and they have like, I think they're all women names. Yeah. And they all have like these backgrounds and stuff. But I just want I just want just them. So I'm going to put each one of these in a box over here. And you can do this with uploads too. Okay, so you just go to your uploads and just drag and drop there. But I'm going to show you a cool little trick that I love. So just give me a second. Just thought you guys would like to see this process. All right. Let's see. A couple more. Just one more. One more. Here we go. Okay. So there we go. We have all of these, but I want no background. So we are going to go, I clicked on all this and I'm going to go up here to the menu that's floating up there. And I'm going to go back and you see that it's working, right? You see this. This is beautiful. Look at it. It's taking out everybody. Okay, so think about that. Think about things that you can do that you can take out the background, stuff like that. But you don't have to. You can use it just the way it is, but just to let you know. Okay. All right, so we have this. I'll go down inside here so we can look. All right. So now I am going to create the design. Now, this is a new feature right here. We are able to put in different designs, sizes, modes, whatever, in one design. So this is a spreadsheet, right? Well, next I'm going to click on this add a page. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Sorry. Delete that page. But what I want to do is do this arrow. So I can add another sheet if I want to. I can add a doc, a presentation, video, social media, whiteboard, print, websites, but I want social media. And I am going to go with the Instagram. So here is that. Now I'm going to go over, remember, I'm not selling these, so I can use the templates. I want to go to design here, and I want to, let's do bio. I just need something that has a picture of them. Okay, presentation. Okay, while I'm looking, I'm going to pause and just see what I can find. I have something that I want, and I need to find it. Okay, so I found one that I can work with. Okay, so I am going to go. I should have never touched that. We're just going to leave that as is right here. Actually, I am going to group that together. Okay, this is the person I do not need. Okay, so I have a saying, a title, and a name. Okay, so the saying will go right here. Title will go right here. This I can take out. This I can take out. I can put this right here. Make this right here. Okay, so we have the image, name, title, and the same. Okay, now let's change this up just so it works for me. And just change it all. There we go. Why I did that separately. Okay, so I think, oh, and then let's go just put my website or logo down here. Okay, so I'm going to be changing these three things out and then the image. So now, next thing we need to do is see if I can do this correctly. We are going to, highlight all that. Then we're going to go to actions, and then we're going to scroll down, and you're going to find bulk create. But look, there's all kinds of little different other things you can do too. But we want bulk create, and that is a pro. All right. And then we're going to go continue a yes, that's what I want. And then it'll say currently open, or you can use anyone. Yes, I want to use currently open. So then it brings me to the image right here. You see, it says same, title, name, and image. So now we have to connect those, okay? And so the same, I'm going to connect right here. Let's see here, connect data. It will pop right up on the menu over here. And you're going to want to go same. And then the title, same thing, connect, title, and then name, connect. Okay, so I don't know if this is actually going to totally work, but you know what? Ungroup. Okay, I think it will. If not, it just use one name, but we'll see. Okay, let's see here. I think I just want to take this out. There we go. And then connect data and then put the name. I just didn't want to mess that up. Okay, so as you can see, they are all purple. Oh, and we still have to do the image. Connect data, and we want to connect it to the image. Okay, so now that we have all of these purple, we always want to do right here, right? Well, go down here to advanced options, because there's some things that we have to do. Right here, I do not want 10 individual designs. I want multiple pages in one design. So always make sure that you do that, okay? And then it's going to save in your projects and then original. And so I'm going to change the name up here and go test Canva Sheets. Okay, there we go. Now we can press create design. And look, it's going to add it right here. Hopefully. Let's see what it does. And there we go. We clicked on this and it brought up all the, so of course there's some tweaking we have to do, but look, it put her name, it has her, it has the title. Now I think I should probably, before I did this, I probably should have just checked the font size, but this is nice. Look at this. This is nice. All right, got the name, cut her off, but I bet it was just because of the image. So you could just easily fix that. Oh, I'm loving this. Loving this. Look how easy that was to collect, to create all these. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, so that is a amazing way to create some images. And I just wanted to show something with photo, name, and all that. But I will be teaching how to do this with like social media mostly. All right, so that was pretty beautiful, and I hope you guys give it a try and just let me know what you come up with. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow because you want to know all the stuff, right? Y'all, I I make videos weekly. All right. Bye, you guys.